Hello. Today I want to make a coffee in a French press. French press coffee. That's what we need. A cup, a French press, some coffee, a stove and some pot, and of course some water. And just to make it clear, this cup is my car. Okay, let's go. That's the wrong side. Gas. The right amount. Let's hope that this will work, because it's super windy. Yeah, I guess it just needs some time now. Especially with this wind. I think now it's hot enough to put some inside here. And now this water can slowly please cook. I just rinsed this one with hot water. Now I will take 1 spoon of coffee. Maybe you should consider drying this off. 1 spoon of coffee. Okay, since I started this, it's going for 13 minutes. Not the stove, let's say 10 minutes. I'm waiting already 10 minutes. The water is looking like soon it's cooking. They say the water should not be cooking hot. You should wait a few seconds until it cools down a little bit. One cup. Stir. And wait a little bit. I will put this on top so I don't lose it. And I put it right here. What annoys me so heavily the most is that I'm searching my stuff all the time. All the time I'm looking for the same stuff. I'm looking for a spoon right now. We'll be back in a second. Okay. And press. Exactly 1 cup. French press coffee. Thanks for watching how I did a French press coffee and my first coffee on my car journey. So if you like it, follow along for more videos. Thank you so much. Thank you.